Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, emo connecting problem. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now tap on the search bar and search for emo. Now tap on the emo and click on emo. Force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache. Okay, back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, microphone allow, notifications allow, and phone allow, photos and videos allow, call logs allow, location allow, music and audio allow, nearby devices allow. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet connection. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back, go to Play Store and search for emo and check up with your emo. My emo already updated. Okay, now open your emo app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.